Yo.
Hey lovelies, what's up? It's Christina and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be unboxing Taylor Swift's Reputation VIP tour package that you get if you buy a VIP ticket. So I'm going to both shows at the Rose Bowl in Pasadena, California. I bought a couple of extra tickets for the show, so if you're looking for 2 VIP pit tickets to see Taylor Swift at the Rose Bowl on May 18th, message me, leave a comment below, and I'm selling them for face value, a little under face value actually, because I'm really just trying to get rid of it. And separately, I'm going to also be selling, off these packages because, I only really need one, or I'm not sure if I'll even keep any of them. So I'm also going to be selling these packages as well. I'm going to probably link everything down below. So I got this, I think today or yesterday. So they usually kind of give them around 2 weeks before the show. And there's different types of VIP tickets, but honestly, the packages are all the same. It's this huge white box. It's already kind of heavy. I would say maybe even 10 pounds. Oh, actually it says 11 pounds right here. There you go. I don't remember the last package being this heavy. But it's from Swift Merchandising Incorporated. So it's from Nashville, Tennessee. So you'll definitely know when you'll get it. So yeah, just expect this big white 11-pound box at your door about 2 weeks before your show. And I already kind of opened one, so this is what you're gonna get when you first open it. It's this huge box. I mean, I don't know, can you reference my body size as to see how big this is? It's pretty freaking huge. I would say it's a 10 by 10 or maybe a foot by a foot. But yeah, it's heavy, and it's just this really cool box. Obviously the cover is kind of like her Reputation CD cover, and it has this really cool rep logo here. It's just kind of like a keepsake box. So now I am going to open it. Get ready. And there's this video that plays.
If you're watching this right now, then you got a VIP package for the Reputation tour, and I'm so excited that you did. I'm so excited you wanted to come. I am so stoked about it. We've been planning some really exciting things. Oh my god, oh my god. This is amazing! Oh god, they're gonna lose their mind. The world moves on another day, another drama, but not for me, not for me. All I think about is karma. And then the world moves on, but one thing's for sure. Baby, I got mine, but you'll all get yours. Just wanted to say thank you for being awesome, and I hope you have a great time. And I'll see you at the show.
I didn't even realize this, but this is basically the layout of the stage. The snake rose. That's so cool. I had to close it so I can talk, but I really liked the video intro. I was not expecting that because I honestly just kind of forgot what was in the VIP package when I first opened it, and it's so personalized and it's just so cool. It just makes it feel like she sent this to you personally. I don't really know how they did that. Put the video when you open it and let it play, but that's really awesome. So that's the first part when you first open it, and then you're going to open a second part to it. It's going to start playing again. And then you're just going to flip this over, and then it stops playing. And then there's this other thing. It's magnetic, I think. And there's this cover of her, and this is basically what's in the second layer of it. Okay, it smells really new. I can basically smell it, but I love this gold and black detailing. It's just so elegant. Okay, so this is the first thing I'm pulling out. So this is probably this is just a commemorative ticket, I guess. It's not a real ticket, it's just kind of for souvenir reasons. But it's in this like cool, like, I mean, normally it's supposed to be plastic, but I mean glass, but this is probably just plastic. But it's magnetic, and you could take it off. And oh, it's like this cool like holographic ticket. Actually, you could use this as a bookmark if you want to, or you can just kind of like frame it. I don't know if you can tell, but like when you move it, the images move. And on this side you can like kind of see the snake when you kind of move it. It's really, really cool. I would use it as a bookmark actually. Or you can just keep it framed like this, and it kind of just closes together like a magnet. Just like bunch of 13 TS, and yeah. And then, so the second thing I'm going to pull from this is the actual CD. So, I mean, I would kind of assume everyone already bought her CD. So this is kind of like an extra one. And then, this is really cool. This is the, what do you call it? The patch. This is cool because I just love this because, you know, like patches are kind of like trendy right now. So you can kind of put this on your denim jacket or your backpack or your hat. I'm not really sure how to put these on. I think you can just iron these on or sew it on. I'm not sure. This is pretty cool. Reputation. Get it? Repping, rep. And then lastly in this second layer is this really cool lanyard. And what's really cool about this, I'm pulling this out. Oh look, this is what I found underneath. Hey VIP, thank you for joining the experience. Please wait until the day of the show to activate your laminate. It will reveal its special features then. That is cool. So it's kind of like this clear thing, and there is batteries that are included, and this USB cord. I'm not really sure how this is supposed to work. I guess you're supposed to charge it. And then, you know, this thing that connects the lanyard to put on your neck. It says tell yourself reputation. Wow. It smells like factory. But I guess it's going to change colors, I'm assuming, when the show starts, you know, when you're at the concert. I am assuming this is going to be really cool. And I really, really like this because actually the last VIP package tour from 1989, it also came with a lanyard, but it was just like a regular lanyard. It wasn't something cool like this. So you flip this over. And this is like a really thick styrofoam actually. Actually, you can just lift this thing up. Whoa, this is so cool. I guess this is the Reputation like tour book. I'll just cut it out. This feels like a yearbook or some. It's like this hard book. Super good material. And like, it's like snake skin. I don't know if you can see, but like this is like awesome. Like she's totally reinvented her image. And oh wow. So this is the first thing. This is her poem that she wrote called Why She Disappeared. And actually this was in one of the magazine versions of the Reputation album if you bought it. Oh, so basically this is kind of like what you'll get for both of the magazines. I'm a little disappointed because I was expecting something new. So the first half is one version of the magazine, and the second half of it is the second version of the magazine album. So there's really nothing new. The last tour book that came with the VIP package, there was like exclusive like tour photos and everything. I don't know how they had that, if they gave it before the tour started actually. I'm not sure, but I mean, it looks really cool, but I was a little disappointed because I was expecting some new content, but it's really not. All of this stuff you can get at the Target magazine versions of the Reputation CD, so nothing new. And I think that's it. What I really like about this is obviously it's aesthetically pleasing. It's well put together, well packaged. Kind of gives you like a cool experience of like what to expect for the show. And because the last VIP tour package, when it came in a box, it was literally kind of all just scattered. It wasn't really packaged in a box or anything. It was just in the cardboard box, and then there's just like a bunch of merch. So the good thing about that one is that obviously you get a bunch of merch if you like Taylor Swift merch. There's like backpacks and reusable bottles and stickers and bracelets and lanyards and tour books, a bunch of stuff. And so then this one definitely doesn't have even more than half of that. So that's the con of it. But you know, I don't really use a lot of tour merch actually, like kind of past that age. So I think what's really cool is she is actually kind of catching up to, you know, the current age and day where, you know, not everyone's gonna be sporting, you know, tacky merch and stuff, and she's just making everything super cool, super collectible. Like these are like collectible items. So yeah, so that's the pro of it. Overall, I'm pretty impressed. Like, I think the packaged look of it is the main, like, you know, takeaway, which I really, really love. And yeah, I'm really, really excited for the tour. Like, I'm actually really happy I got this, and just looking at all of this makes me super excited. If you are going to a show, let me know which show you're going to, even if you're not going to the Rose Bowl. And yeah, I'm so excited. This is gonna be epic. I'm really excited. I haven't really gone to an arena tour, so we shall see. I'm really excited. I'll see you guys there. Bye.